All right, I'm very excited. My Morning Meltdown 100 and Shakeology package just arrived in the mail. And who doesn't like presents, right? So I'm very excited to give this stuff a whirl. All right, time to open this bad boy up. Ooh, very cool. I didn't know you got a cup too. I didn't realize I actually got a diary. And what do we got here?
Calendar.
Here, open it up, man. Let's see what it is.
It's a calendar.
All right, so I got my ultimate taste tester here, and he's going to give you an honest review whether this stuff makes the cut or not. What do you think, Griff? You're going to tell me whether you like it or not?
Yes.
Okay, give it a whirl.
It's actually some good stuff.
Anyways, I'm happy with what I got in the mail. I'm excited that I'm going to use it as part of my breakfast shake routine from now on, and I'm going to go inside and check out the rest of the stuff I got in the box.